Hello students, welcome to the chapter Aldehydes, Ketones and Carboxylic acids. In this video, you will be learning preparation of ketones and physical properties of aldehydes and ketones. Dear students, in the previous lecture, we learned the preparation of aldehydes. Let us begin our today's session with preparation of ketones. Ketones can be prepared from acyl halides. These acyl halides, which are the derivatives of carboxylic acids. From the carboxylic acid, the OH group is replaced by halogen atom. In this case, it is acyl chloride. It means the OH group of carboxylic acid is replaced by chloride ion. When acyl chlorides react with dialkyl cadmium, it gives ketones. How to prepare dialkyl cadmium? It is a simple process. When Grignard reagent reacts with cadmium chloride, it gives dialkyl cadmium. You can see here Grignard reagent RMgX that reacts with CdCl2. The two alkyl groups are now bind to cadmium. It is dialkyl cadmium which reacts with acyl chloride. It gives rise to the product ketone. So it may give symmetrical ketone or unsymmetrical ketone depending upon R and R dash groups. So with the help of acyl chlorides and dialkyl cadmium, we can prepare both aliphatic as well as aromatic ketones. Next example, CS3COCl acetyl chloride when reacts with dimethyl cadmium, it gives rise to acetone. Instead of CS3 groups, you can change C2H5, C3H7 or C6H5, etc. Moving to the second method of preparation of ketones, it is from nitriles or cyanides. When nitriles are treated with Grignard reagent followed by hydrolysis, it gives corresponding ketones. Example, RC triple bond N, it is alkyl cyanide. When treated with Grignard reagent RMgX or R-MgX in presence of ether, it gives an intermediate compound. Followed by hydrolysis, it gives respective ketone. Again, R and R dash groups may be same or different. Example, CS3CH2 C triple bond N, as it contains 3 carbon atoms and C triple bond N group. The name of the compound is propane nitrile. When treated with Grignard reagent phenyl magnesium bromide C6H5, in presence of ether, it forms an intermediate compound followed by hydrolysis forms ethyl phenyl ketone or propiophenone. Moving to the third method of preparation from benzene. With this, we can prepare only aromatic ketones. When benzene is treated with acid chloride or acyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 forms corresponding ketone. Acid chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, it means Friedel-Crafts acylation process. So when benzene is treated with acid chloride RCOCl or acyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, it forms alkyl phenyl ketone. This reaction is known as Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Example, benzene is treated with acetyl chloride CH3COCl in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 forms methyl phenyl ketone or acetophenone. Dear students, in the first and second method of preparation of ketone, that is from acyl chlorides and from nitriles, we can prepare both alkyl as well as aryl ketones or aliphatic or aromatic ketones. But in the third method, from benzene, we can prepare only aromatic ketones. Moving further, physical properties of aldehydes and ketones. Dear students, please remember, aldehydes are available in all three possible physical states, that is solids, liquids and gases, whereas ketones are usually available in two physical states, that is liquids and solids. Physical state of aldehyde. The first member of aldehyde, that is formaldehyde, IUPAC name is methanol, which is gas at room temperature. As the molecular mass increases for the next member, that is ethanol, which is volatile liquid. Volatile means it is easily evaporating or the substance which has lower boiling point. And all other aldehydes and ketones are liquid or solid at room temperature. Moving to the second physical state, that is boiling point. Here we have set of compounds of different functional group. The first member is a hydrocarbon, second ether, third aldehyde, fourth ketone, fifth alcohol, and all these are having comparable molecular masses. But you can observe here, even though they are having comparable molecular masses, almost same, but they can show different boiling points. The reason for different boiling point is the association between the molecules. The boiling point of aldehydes and ketones are higher than hydrocarbons and ethers of comparable molecular masses. This is due to weak molecular association or intermolecular association in aldehydes and ketones arising out of dipole-dipole interaction. And also the boiling points are lower than those of alcohols of similar molecular masses due to the absence of intermolecular hydrogen bonding. So in alcohols we can observe intermolecular hydrogen bonding, but in aldehydes it is less intermolecular hydrogen bonding, and in ketone it is not observed. Hence boiling point of aldehydes and ketones are lower than compared to alcohols. Moving to the third physical state, that is solubility in water. The lower members of aldehydes and ketones which are soluble in water, and we can use the word miscible if the substance is liquid and which dissolves completely in water. The lower members such as methanol, ethanol, acetone, they can show solubility with water, and this is because of the formation of hydrogen bonding with water. So aldehydes and ketones with the lower molecular masses or the lower members which can show the formation of hydrogen bonding with water. So it is R C double bond OR, the oxygen atom of carbonyl group aldehyde or ketone, which is going to form hydrogen bonding with water molecule H2O. As there is a formation of hydrogen bonding, aldehydes and ketones with lower molecular mass, they are soluble in water. And also you can observe the solubility of aldehydes and ketones decreases rapidly as increasing the length of alkyl chain. As the molecular mass increases, there is a increased steric hindrance which hinders the formation of hydrogen bonding with water molecule. And all aldehydes and ketones are sparingly soluble in organic solvents like benzene, ether, methanol, chloroform, carbon tetrachloride, etc. Moving to the fourth physical property, odor or smell. The lower member of aldehydes have sharp pungent odor. As the size of molecule increases, the odor becomes less pungent and more fragrant. In fact, many of the aldehydes and ketones are used in blending of perfumes and flavoring agents. Thank you, dear students. Hope you enjoy the session. Thank you very much.